As Walkenbach indicates, we can use array formulas to eliminate intermediate calculations. So here, this is an example out of his book. We have student scores, in this case just 14, but certainly could be a lot more, and we're interested in the change. But just imagine that you would prefer not to calculate the change. So we'll just actually drag it over here. And he shows how to calculate the average change, etc., without actually computing the change in a separate column. So we'll do that right quick with array function. So equal average. And here's our array formulation. So we'll take the post-test scores minus the pre-test. All right, and Control-Shift-Enter, 7.55, and we'll actually just confirm that over here. So we did get the same answer. And looking back here, let's see what's going on. So I'll go in F2 to indicate here. So this actually generates, this inside part generates an array, and the average function will actually take the average of those values. The result of this array is actually these numbers. All right, so if we could actually see that, I would, unfortunately I can't hit F9 while recording here, but if I could, it would show you an array of these numbers, which is then taking the average of. Okay, let's move on to the largest positive change, so equals max. And we'll take in, again, in terms of our matrix calculation, do have to hit Control-Shift-Enter. And we can do the same thing over here. We'll just use the max function to verify our result is correct. Yeah, 23. Largest negative would be the smallest, or minimum number. Okay, so we're going to take that array minus the other one. Control-Shift-Enter. Equals min. And we also might want to compute the number who improve. Over here we'd do that with a COUNTIF. Okay, so actually 11 of the students improve. And let's see if we can do it over here. Little array work. And I'll try to explain this. Let me first do it. So our logical test is if these values are greater than these values. And what it's going to do is individually check each one. All right? If that's true, we want a value of 1, otherwise 0. All right, so again, what it's going to do here, it's going to compare each item. Okay, is it greater than, C greater than B? If it is, it'll say 1, otherwise it'll say 0. And then it will sum those up. And we should get 11 if I've done that correctly. Yes, we do. So actually 11 folks improved. We can check that to see. I'll just change one here. Maybe we'll make it say 50. All right, does update appropriately. I'll undo that.